Well, hello. I'm Dr. Taj, and you're looking to become a new patient and have a nice thorough cleaning and, of course, exam of your gums and teeth. Well, let me tell you this interesting fact. Did you know that chronic gum disease can actually increase your risk of heart attacks, lung infections, cancers, even diabetes? Makes it hard to manage. So when you come in, we want to make sure we do a very, very thorough gum examination and tooth examination. That way we can give you the right type of cleaning. There are 8 different types of cleanings we can actually give you, and it all depends on the health of your current gum situation. So, calling in, you'll meet my hygienist, you'll meet me or one of my team of doctors, and we will discuss exactly what type of cleaning is needed for you, what other type of solutions you may need for your teeth to give you a nice, healthy smile, but also ultimately give you a nice, healthy lifestyle and body that you need to live a very, very good life and a happy life. I look forward to meeting you. Make sure you fill out the form or call the number above for your new examination, and we'll meet you, and we're looking forward to it.